Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more interesting tips and tricks related on LinkedIn. How to create as a professional and stunning profile picture on LinkedIn profile. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So now let's start as a demonstration. Laptop screen. So let's start demonstration. First of all, I will tell you, I just shortlisted of two picture of my this one and that one. Which one is the best for me? Accordingly, I will update on my LinkedIn profile. So both pictures are professional, attractive, not fancy or not background is available. So for that point of view, I'm using my canva.com. I have subscription, so I can very easily use all features, but apart from that, some free options also available in Canva. So I just simply click here in the search option. You just simply select here the LinkedIn profile, and here bunch of options are available, like a 20,000 options are available. Which options is suitable for you, accordingly you select such kind of ground related option is showing here. It means that one is not free and this one is a free, like this one is also free, this one is not free. So which one is a free and which one you like more, accordingly you select and then choose this profile picture. So such kind of bunch of options are available for free. So I just simply select here that one. I just simply select this one and select here customize. So I open here on my application. So this is a customize, and if I drag and drop my picture here, so my picture is automatically look like this, and accordingly you can decide as a location change, but this is perfect. Otherwise I just simply drag and drop another one and just simply do this one. So this is a perfectly comes from the round shape, and which one is accordingly you decide. So here some of the effects related features also available. You can do the effects also for this image. Is image perfectly fine or not? You can do the brightness, contrast, highlights, shadow. So accordingly select here everything, and after that if you want download this picture, so you can very easily download accordingly this, and we just simply download this picture and look like here the pictures look like this one. So now afterward, if the picture is perfectly fine, so you just simply reach on your profile picture. I already used the same picture, and after that you can very easily upload this picture. Where is your picture is available on here. So look at this is my picture, and the picture is perfectly fixed. Save photo, and that's it. This is a simple way. Using Canva, you can create your LinkedIn profile picture and modify and upload. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.